Greetings students. In tier 2 we were discussing unit D, and unit D we were discussing about percentage and its application. As I have already told you, I have divided the chapter into 3 parts. This is the second part of those 3 parts. This is for class 7. The subject is mathematics. I am Sivashish Sandilya and I welcome you to today's class. So these were the subtopics of this chapter. The first few topics of these subtopics we have already discussed in our previous video. Today we are going to proceed with some modules. First of all, writing one quantity as a percentage of another quantity. To express one quantity as a percentage of another, we use the following formula: percentage equal to one quantity divided by another quantity multiplied by 100%. Always remember, both quantities should be of the same units. If they are in different units, convert them into the same units, then only solve. For example, if one unit is given in kilometers and one unit is given in meters, either convert the kilometer part into meters or convert the meter part into kilometers, then only the division will be viable. For example, what percent of 4 days is 8 hours? So the required percentage will be equal to 8 hours by 4 days into 100%, which will amount to 8 hours divided by 4 into 24 hours. 4 days is equal to 4 into 24 hours. So we are converting both the quantities in the same unit, that is hours. So 8 hours by 4 into 24 hours into 100%. After simplification we will get 25 by 3 or 8.33%. Hence 8 hours is 8.33% of 4 days. Now let us discuss module number 6. Look at the demo. What percent is 17 gram of 68 grams? In fraction, 17 gram out of 68 gram will be written as 17 by 68. So changing 17 by 68 into percentage, we will write 17 by 68 into 100%, which will be equal to 1 by 4 into 100, and after simplification we will get 25%. In the same way, pause the video for 20 minutes. Do all the 4 problems in module number 6. Now let us move on to the answers. So these are the answers. Let us discuss answer number 3, that is answer number C. So 18 by 180 into 100. So 18 by 180 becomes 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 into 100 becomes 10%. In the same way, note down all the 4 answers. If you still have doubts, please contact me. Now in module number 7, what percentage of rupees 20 is 80 pies? Look at the demo. What percentage of rupees 20 is 80 pies? So what we will do? 80 pies by rupees 20 into 100%. Now one quantity is in pies, one quantity is in rupees. So what we will do? We will convert the rupees into pies by multiplying it by 100. So it will become 80 pies by 20 into 100 pies whole into 100%. After simplification, we will get 4%. In the same way, pause the video for 20 minutes once again. Do all the 6 problems in module number 7. So these are the answers to all the 6 questions. Please check if you have done everything correctly. If you have done anything wrong, please pause the video and note down the correct answers. Even after noting down the correct answers, if you have doubts, please contact me. You know my phone number, you know my WhatsApp number. I will help you out. Now, look at this demo. These are some word problems. Renu has read 75% of a book consisting of 288 pages. How many pages are left to be read? Now, at this point, let me remind you once again, in your last year also, I have told you that when you are dealing with any question in mathematics, especially the word problems, try to understand properly what the question is saying. Then only your answer will be correct, then only you will do it properly. See, here it is said that the book has a total number of 288 pages. Out of these pages, 75% Renu has read. So how many pages are left? So look at the answer at the right hand side of the screen. Total pages in the book equal to 288. Pages read equal to 75% of 288. That is 75 by 100 into 288 equal to 216. So Renu has read 216 pages. Now what is the question? How many pages are left to be read? So pages left to be read equal to 288, that is the total number of pages, minus 216, that is the number of pages that she had already read, which will give you 72. Now finally you will have to write the concluding sentence. 72 pages are left to be read by Renu. You can add or you can leave it like that also. If you need more time, pause the video, note down the demo. Okay, in module number 8, now we are starting with the word problems. Number A, in an examination, a student scored 576 marks out of 900. What percentage marks did the student obtain? Pause the video for a few minutes. Try this out yourself, then I will show you the answer. Now let us move on to the answer. Total mark equal to 900, marks obtained equal to 576. So percentage of mark equal to 576 by 900 into 100. 0 cancels out both in 900 and 100. So what we are left with is 576 divided by 9, which will give you 64%. Then the concluding sentence, the student obtained 64% marks. Pause the video if required and note down the answer. Now question number B, the population of a town increased by 5% in 2 years. If its initial population was 17,500, what is its present population? First of all, try to understand what the question is asking you. 2 years ago, the population of the town was 17,500. Within these 2 years, the population increased by 5%. So what is the population of the town now, that is today? Pause the video, try to do this yourself. After that I will show you the answer. Now let us move on to the answer. The initial population of the town equal to 17,500. Population increased equal to 5% of 17,500 equal to 5 by 100 into 17,500, which will give you 875. Therefore, the present population equal to 17,500 plus 875 equal to 18,375. After that, you will write the concluding sentence. Therefore, the present population of the town is 18,375. Pause the video if required, note down the answer, and if you have done everything correctly, then good for you. Now, question number C. In a school there are 1440 students, out of which 60% are boys. How many girls are there? Now again, look at what the question is asking. Total number of students in a school is given, out of which 40% are boys. Now you don't have to find how much percentage of girls are there. You are asked to find the number of girls in the school. Pause the video for a few minutes. Try this out yourself. Now let us move on to the answer. Total number of students equal to 1440. Number of boys equal to 60% of 1440 equal to 60 by 100 into 1440, which will amount to 864. So the number of girls will be total number of students, that is 1440, minus number of boys, that is 864, which will be equal to 576. Now you will have to write the concluding sentence. Therefore, the number of girls in the school is equal to 576. Pause the video if required, note down the correct answer. If you have done the answer correctly already, then good for you. Even after noting down the correct answer, if you have any doubt, please contact me. I will help you out. Now another set of word problems. Look at the demo. There were 40 passengers in a bus. 30% of them got down at a bus stop. How many passengers are left in the bus? This is just like the previous problem that we have done, the boys and girls type. So look at the answer. Total number of passengers equal to 40. Percentage of passengers that got down equal to 30%. Now here, please note, you cannot start a sentence with a symbol. This is a printing mistake in your book. Though the percentage sign is used to start the sentence, you will write in word PERCENTAGE, percentage of passengers that got down equal to 30%. Don't use a symbol to start a sentence. Okay, moving on. Number of passengers that got down equal to 30% of 40, which will be equal to 30 by 100 into 40. So 0 and 0 cancels out in both 30, 40 and 100. So you will be left with 3 into 4 equal to 12. So therefore 12 passengers got down. Therefore passengers left in the bus equal to 40 minus 12 equal to 28. Then the concluding sentence, therefore 28 passengers were left in the bus. If you need more time, pause the video, read the question and answer properly once again, try to understand it, and then we will move on to the next module. Okay, module number 9, the first question. Swan used a string of 200 small light bulbs to decorate his Christmas tree. 45% of the bulbs were green and the rest were red in color. How many bulbs were red and how many were green? Pause the video for a few minutes. Try to do this yourself. Now let us move on to the answer. Total number of bulbs equal to 200. Percentage C. Here also it is a printing mistake. Please don't use this. Write percentage in word. Percentage of bulbs that were green equal to 45%. Number of green bulbs will be 45% of 200. That is 45 by 100 into 200 equal to 90. So total number of green bulbs is 90. Therefore number of red bulbs will be 200 minus 90 equal to 110. Then you will write the concluding sentence. There were 90 green bulbs and 110 red bulbs. Pause the video if you require more time and note down the correct answer. Now question number B. The population of a village was 1450 in 2003. It increased by 10% in 2004. Find the population of the village in 2004. Question number C. A pair of shoes cost rupees 1800. Due to festive season, the price was reduced by 25%. Find the price after discount. Pause the video, take your time and try to do this yourself. After that, we are going to move on to the answers. So these are the answers to question number B and C. Question number B. The population of the village in 2003 was 1450. Increase in population equal to 10% of 1450 equal to 10 by 100 into 1450, which gives us 145. Therefore, the new population in 2004 will be 1450 plus 145, which will amount to 1595. Question number C. The cost of the pair of shoes equal to 1800 rupees. Reduction in price equal to 25% of 1800, which will amount to rupees 450. Therefore, price after the discount will be 1800 minus 450, which will amount to rupees 1350. Pause the video if you require more time and note down the correct answers. So, in a last video, we have done module number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And in this video, that is the second video of the 3 videos that I have made of this chapter, we have done module number 6, 7, 8 and 9. In our next video, we are going to start ratio and proportion and complete module number 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So this brings us to the end of today's class. I hope everyone enjoyed, everyone understood. In our next class, we are going to do Unit D, module number 10 to 14. At this point, I would like to remind you once again, please solve all the problems of Unit A, B and C and clear the doubts as soon as possible. With this note, I am Sivashish Sandilya signing out. Thank you everyone for watching today's video.